What's up guys? This is your regular live enthusiastic Jomie Hospital. That's J-O-M-I-E. Kamusta? Nakamove on na ba mo? Kaya kung wala pa, mag-ask Jomie sa ta! It's time for Q for J! Efrelyn Apurado would like to ask, curious ko, unsay course ni mo sa college? Lami ilagay kay ka mag-English. Mua. I initially took BS Accountancy and then medyo na-busy sa extracurricular activities so na-advise to shift. And then I took BSBA Business Economics but since mostly sa mga subjects nakuha naman ako so I cross-enrolled with the AB English program and yet wala na ako siya gihuman. So maybe sa English there's that. And I graduated last April. Tagnaon sa akong mga awards. Rots! Jason Gassel would like to ask, hi Kuya Jomie, taga-asa jude ka? Haha, abi man akong taga-Iligan City ka. I studied in Iligan for 6 years, but originally I'm from Misamis Oriental. Jomie Hospital 23 from the city of good luck, Hero City! Aliyah Jan Caceres would like to ask, unsay feeling na niabot nag 1 million views ang imong mama? Funny because we had this one on film, and this was a reaction. Oh my god, like 9995! 5 views na lang! Wait, another refresh! Another refresh! Wala pa! Wala na dugangan siya! Paasa! Wait! 5 views! Gadget lang!
5 na lang, ka-view?
5 views!
Oh my god! Tanaw na lang na isa-isa lang!
5 bitaw ta! What the okay rame.
Yes!
Once sila nga nag-shagit ha. Mario Aranel would like to ask, what video editor ang imong ginagamit pag mag-make ang video nimo? DSLR imong gamit pag maghimo kag vids? Well, this has become one of the frequently asked questions and in a page, so I'm going to answer it once and for all. I am using my Canon 600D DSLR camera with 17 to 50mm Sigma lens. And when it comes to editing, I am using Sony Vegas Pro 12.0. As for the audio, I have a Rode NTG2 microphone. Santos Beach would like to ask, hello po, your videos are stress relievers. Anyway, this question is just for fun. Pila edad sa ok-ok? Ambot pod. Wait, mag-asa ko ha. Beng!
Unsa man?
Pila na edad sa ok-ok?
Unsa na ba ko ta?
Bia Caberte would like to ask, how did you meet Bretman Rock? In case you do not know, I just signed up my contract with ABS-CBN's multi-channel network called Chicken Pork Adobo, and it just so happened that Bretman Rock was part of it, so I got the chance to hang out with him. He was really cool, like, di mo ma-feel na naa siya 4.7 million followers sa Instagram, and I didn't expect that I would learn so much from a 17-year-old kid. Honey Sako would like to ask, Joms, Honey here from Cebu, ask lang ko if maghimo pa kag more Dr. Gugma vids in the near future. Thank you for asking this. Dugay ko rin ni gusto tubagon because I have decided to discontinue Dear Dr. Gugma for the reason that lisod siya i-produce, wala ko enough funds to work on it, and it would take a lot of time to edit. So yeah, you can now stop sending your sulirans for now, pero basin day mabalik siya in the future. Or not, I still don't know. Brian Oralesa would like to ask, Joms, kung kamo nilang tulo ni bro, ni babe ug ikaw sa kalibutan, unsa imong unang buhaton ug kinsa imong pilion? Oh my god, this is so easy. Kung kami nilang tulo ni babe ug ni bro sa world, unsa kong una buhaton? Pat yun ang usa sa ila para ma-sure na ako nga dili sila duang magdayon. Wala pa mabaliktad! But with regards kung kinsa, dili ko ka-decide. Kamu guys, are you team bro or are you team babe? Comment section! Lemuel Mosquito would like to ask, hi, I wonder if maging kamo ni Aaron. If ever na manguyab siya sa imuha in real life, unsa man? Hi, ang butana niya. Ako, go man ko always. Ikaw, Aaron, please pakitubag ani nga pangutana para dili na ako mag-assume.
Bakit di na lang tutuhanin ang lahat? Ang kailangan ko'y paghinga.
Mark Sam would like to ask, is the TOB serye going to end na since nag-break na mo? Just asking. Hello Mark! No, TOB is so not going to end because it's an ongoing serye. However, I want to change its name from That One Boy to That One Bae. Tibali mo na siya ang iyahang name dun sa serye, That One Bae. It just so happened that naay mga sub-segment like That One Bro or That One Babe. Part na sila sa That One Bae. And this week, I'm going to introduce a new character, That One Friend. Char! So excited! Mary Alicot would like to ask, Kuya, giwat jud ka sa hugot night. Nabilin ko pero sige okay lang. Na-enjoy ra ka sa people sa Lasal? Okay ang environment? Oh my God, are you kidding me? I had the best time in Lasal Osamis. Sa wala naka-follow, I performed spoken poetry during their hugot night. I was expecting 50 people. Wala ko ga-expect na inana siya ka-crazy. Feel na ako, close friends na ako silang tanan. They always greet me, hi Jomi, and overall it was really fun. So thank you Lasal Osamis for the invite. Mwah! Thank you Lasal University, Regimil would like to ask, Kuya, I just want to ask, kung ikaw mahimong babae, unsa imong unang buhaton sa imong lawas? Yay! If ever mababae ko, mag-OOTD ko everyday, mag-heels ko magmerkado, mag-ala more powers ko sa among barangay, mangolekta kong polka dots na panty, mag-kuntur-kuntur ko, and most of all, i-explore na ko akong body. O mag-learn ko beauty techniques gamit ako ang fingers! So, diba, gamiton dyan ako akong fingers sa pag-apply o BB cream, sa pagbutang o lip balm, o baka sa pag-lotion. O diba, gamit dyan yung fingers. So that's it for this week. If you wanna see the previous episode of Q4J, click on the link below. Moto! I'll see you again next week for another episode of Q4J. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Jomi Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you! Pat yun ang usa sa ila para ma-sure na ako nga dili sila duwang magdayon! Makubuang.